Just up at the Greenhouse Sensation greenhouse up in Maudsley. Last week we were looking at these Fresno peppers. We harvested a big box of nice red ripe ones. We're kind of aware that there were still a lot of green ones still left on the plant in the Vivigrow. Vivigrow, of course, using NFT, which is nutrient film technique. And whilst I didn't have any harvesting boxes with me today, I've taken off another decent sized bag of ripe ones. But it'll probably be another week or two depending on the sunshine, and then we can take off all of these other fantastic Fresno chilies.